White Knight of Puppy Bowl 8 won't be denied. It's a face-off in midfield. And Hunter blinks first. Aberdeen's back on his paws, and he's eyeing the end zone. He's going for the record.
Yes, another touchdown! Woohoo!
Aberdeen.
What's happening, Bruiser? What's happening?
You were arrested, pal.
The Pep Squad porkers are hooting for this high-flying healer. And the fans can't get enough of the Aussies' animal athleticism. It's a record-breaking run up the left side. Aberdeen overtakes football as the game's leading scorer. With his amazing antics, this Tex Shepard is in the running for the Puppy Bowl 8 MVP award. Cash your vote for today's top pooch performer at animalplanet.com/puppybowl.